Step 3 is to file your formation paperwork. That's the step that officially creates your LLC in the state of Texas. And I'll walk you through that now, step by step, using Northwest Registered Agent. To join me on this page and to get the best available deal with Northwest, go to the link on screen or get here by clicking the link that you can find in the description below. Once you get to this page, select Texas as your state and then click Get Started. If you're not quite ready to start the filing yet, that's completely fine. Just follow along and you can come back to this link whenever you're ready. When you land on this Order tab, you'll see that your order already includes formation paperwork filed with the state, 1 year of registered agent service, and renewal reminders. You'll also notice that your order includes a free domain, website, email, and phone line. Northwest calls these their business identity features. They're free forever at the starting level, and if you need to, you can upgrade to paid versions as your business grows. The entity type is already set to LLC, and that's what we'll be forming today. And the jurisdiction is already set to Texas. If you scroll down, you'll see the Texas filing fee here. It's $310 for standard processing. That's the state fee, not a Northwest charge. You would pay that regardless of how you file. Even if you wanted to be your own registered agent and handle everything yourself, you're still paying for this fee in the state of Texas. The Northwest Basic Package is $39, and you can see that on the right side of the screen. That's their flat service fee on top of the state fee. When you're ready, click Continue. Now we're on the Company tab, and this is where you'll enter your business details. First, enter your business name. This should be the name that you verified back in Step 1, including the LLC designator that you choose at the end. I'll be using Business Tutorial Academy LLC. Next, if you have a business attorney, you can switch this to yes, and then you can enter their email. If you don't, just leave this as no. For both the physical address and the mailing address, you'll see that those are already set to our registered agent address, and that's exactly what we want. This is one of the real benefits of using Northwest. Other registered agent services don't let you use their address on your official state paperwork. Northwest Registered Agent does, and that's a big deal for your privacy. If you click on the blue question mark next to physical address, it explains why using their address keeps your personal information off of public records. I'd recommend leaving both of these set to the Northwest recommended address, and once you're done, you can click Continue. Next is the Management tab. Here you'll choose your management type. Member Managed is already selected, and for most people, that's the right choice. If you click this tooltip, it will explain the difference. Member Managed means that owners make all the decisions themselves. Manager Managed is for situations where the owner is not involved in the day-to-day operations and wants to hire a manager to make business decisions. If you're not sure, leave it on Member Managed. Below that, you'll see Member 1. Enter your first and last name here. The address is already set to our registered agent address, which is what we want. If your LLC has more than one owner, click Add Member here. Then you can enter each member's personal details the same way as you've done above. If you're a single member LLC, you can close out Member 2, and when you're ready to proceed, click Continue. That will bring you to the Recommended tab, and this is actually where we'll handle Step 4 of setting up your LLC, getting your Employer Identification Number, or EIN. You'll see the tax ID as the first option here. That's your EIN. Your EIN is basically your business's social security number. You'll need it to open a business bank account, file your taxes, and hire employees if you ever need to. For $50, Northwest will handle all the IRS paperwork for you, and your EIN will show up directly in your Northwest account once it's ready. If you prefer to save the $50, you can get your EIN directly from the IRS for free at irs.gov. Just keep in mind that you have to wait until your Texas LLC is officially approved before you can apply yourself. If you want to keep things moving and have Northwest handle it, the $50 is worth it. I personally have done this myself in the past, but for my next LLC, I do plan to include it here. Otherwise, skip this and apply on the IRS website once your approval goes through. The next option is the S-Corp election with the IRS. This doesn't mean that you're forming a corporation. You're still forming an LLC. This is purely a tax election that changes how the IRS taxes your business. If you're not sure whether this makes sense for you, skip it for now. You can always make this election later, and it's really a conversation to have with a CPA once your business is up and running. We'll come back to this in Step 7. Next is the Premium Mail service. This is different from your registered agent service. It's for all of your regular business mail. If you want a unique business address in a real commercial building and you'd like Northwest to handle all of your incoming mail, this is the option for you. It's not something everyone needs, especially if you already have a good mail setup, but it's worth knowing that it's available. Toggle it on to explore the options, or leave it off if you don't need it. Northwest Registered Agent has a whole page dedicated to Texas mail forwarding, and I'll link that in the description for more details. If you want to protect your brand name or logo, Northwest offers a trademark filing service for $599. It's not required to form your LLC, but if you're building a real brand, it's worth considering. You can always skip this today and come back to it later. The last option is DBA trade name filing, also called doing business as. This lets your LLC operate publicly under a different name than your legal LLC name. If your brand name and your LLC name are the same, you don't need this. If you want to do business under a different name without setting up an entirely new business, you can add it here for $150. And if you're not sure about any of these right now, don't worry. As you can see in the Good to Know section in the bottom, you can add or cancel any of these services later from within your account. So when you're ready, click Continue. The Contact tab is straightforward. Just enter your personal contact details, including your name, phone number, and mailing address. Once you've filled all of this in, go ahead and click Continue. Then, on the Account tab, you'll create your login for Northwest. Enter your email address, then create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure that you haven't used elsewhere and save it somewhere safe. Click Continue when you're done. And now you're on the Payment tab. Before you submit, take a look at the order summary on the right side of the screen. You'll see the Northwest Basic Package, the Texas State Filing Fee, and any add-ons here that you've selected. Make sure everything looks right, then enter your payment details over on the left, and click Submit Order. Once your payment goes through, you'll be taken into your Northwest account. From there, you can track the status of your filing and see an estimated completion date. Texas standard processing typically takes around 2 business days, so keep an eye on your email from Northwest for updates.